Welcome to the Cryptocurrency and Finance Tools series. In this video, we'll explore the best cryptocurrency exchange platforms and compare their secure trading and investment services. Whether you're new to crypto or looking to switch exchanges, understanding how to evaluate these platforms will help you make better decisions about where to trade and invest your digital assets. When choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, there are four critical factors to evaluate. First is security, which includes two-factor authentication, cold storage practices, and encryption protocols. Second is fees, encompassing trading costs, withdrawal charges, and deposit expenses. Third is availability, meaning geographic restrictions and regulatory compliance in your region. Fourth is liquidity, which refers to trading volume and market depth. These four pillars form the foundation of any reliable exchange evaluation. Beyond the basics, you should also examine the user interface quality across both mobile and desktop applications. Check if the exchange offers dedicated iOS and Android apps with responsive design. Look at the variety of cryptocurrencies and tokens available on the platform, since not all exchanges support every coin. Finally, evaluate the payment methods accepted, such as fiat on-ramps through bank transfers or credit cards. These features determine how easily you can move money in and out of the exchange. Security is paramount because exchanges hold your funds and sensitive identity information, making them prime targets for hackers and cyber attacks. A strong security infrastructure reduces the risk of hacks, fund theft, and unauthorized account access. By choosing a platform with robust defenses, you can focus on developing your trading strategy instead of constantly worrying about the safety of your assets. Think of security as the foundation upon which all your trading activities rest. When evaluating security, look for a comprehensive checklist of protections. First, two-factor authentication must be available for both logins and withdrawals. Second, the exchange should store most customer funds in cold storage, which means offline storage that cannot be hacked over the internet. Third, the platform should undergo regular security audits and publicly report any incidents with transparency. Fourth, the account recovery process should be robust enough to prevent unauthorized takeovers while remaining accessible to legitimate users. Each of these features adds a layer of protection to your assets. Fees directly impact your profitability, especially for active traders. Maker and taker fees affect the cost of entering and exiting every position. Spreads are the differences between buying and selling prices, and hidden charges can include network fees or currency conversion costs. Deposit and withdrawal fees influence how often you can move money on and off the platform. Even small percentage differences in fees compound significantly over time. If you make 100 trades per year, and one exchange charges 0.25% per trade, while another charges 0.1%. The difference adds up to meaningful savings. Liquidity refers to how easily you can buy or sell an asset at a fair price. Exchanges with higher liquidity typically offer tighter spreads, meaning less difference between buy and sell prices. Deep order books allow you to enter or exit larger positions without significantly moving the price, a problem called slippage. Consistent trading volume over time indicates an active market with genuine interest, rather than sudden spikes that might disappear. Always compare liquidity across multiple exchanges for the specific trading pairs you care about. Different cryptocurrencies play different roles in a portfolio. Bitcoin and Ethereum are major coins, stablecoins like USDT provide price stability, and altcoins offer growth potential and diversification. Some exchanges offer spot markets for immediate purchases, while others provide derivatives and margin trading for more advanced strategies. Trading on margin means borrowing funds to amplify your positions, which increases both potential gains and losses. Fiat trading pairs, which allow you to trade directly against dollars or euros, make it easier to track your portfolio performance in your home currency. The regulatory environment of an exchange significantly affects your experience and safety. Licensing and registration with financial authorities signal that the platform operates under formal oversight and is accountable to regulators. Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering checks require identity verification, which adds a step to onboarding but protects against fraud and money laundering. Local regulations determine which products are available, how disputes are resolved, and what customer protections exist. An exchange operating in a well-regulated jurisdiction provides stronger legal recourse if problems arise. Your choice of exchange should align with your specific goals and trading style. Short-term traders should prioritize low fees, deep liquidity, and responsive user interfaces that allow quick decision-making. Long-term investors should focus on security track records, regulatory compliance, and custody options that let you hold assets securely. Advanced users comparing derivatives tools, API quality, and integration with other financial platforms will want technical capabilities beyond what casual traders need. By understanding your own needs, you can select the exchange that best serves your cryptocurrency journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.